Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our online class, Greenfield School and College. Dear students, how are you? I hope you are fine and well today. This is Kamrun Nahar, Assistant Professor, Greenfield School and College, Mirpur, Dhaka. Today we discuss some MCQ from chapter 6. Okay, chapter 6 is transport in organism. Okay, so get ready for number 1 question. How much percentage of how much percentage of stomatal transpiration, okay, how much percentage of stomal transpiration? You know, it is about 90 to 95%. Okay, almost here answer 90 to 95%. And another two types transpiration is cuticular and lenticular. Okay, cuticular and lenticular both are 5 to 10%. So then second question, which antibody is present in blood group O? Which antibody is present in blood group O? Okay, blood group O. You know antibody, O blood group antibody, antigen is same but antibody is different, and here antibody is present, blood group O is A and B. Okay, A and B, two types antibody is present here. A and B, two types. Okay, which antibody is present in blood group? This is answer A and B. Number 3, translocation of minerals to next cell by which process? Translocation of minerals to next cell by which process? Okay, by which process? PROCESS. Okay, you know here translocation of minerals means mineral salt, and your answer will be diffusion. Okay, here answer is diffusion, FUSION, diffusion. Number 4 is which of the following maintains the balance of heat? Okay, balance of heat কোনটি তোমার দেহের কি বলবো হিট ব্যালেন্স অফ হিট, which of the following maintains the balance of heat? Okay, which is responsible to maintain which is responsible to maintain the balance of heat, okay, in your body. Okay, balance in your body, here answer will be blood. Okay, you know blood maintains the heat of your body. Okay, atmosphere. This is physical. Okay. What is the rate of transpiration of stomata? Again question. 90 to 95%. The wall of heart is called, very important MCQ, the wall of heart, the wall of heart is called, pericardium, called pericardium. The wall of the wall of heart is called pericardium. This is very important MCQ. Okay. Which blood group is called universal recipient? Which blood group is called universal recipient? Recipients. That is, the blood group AB. AB blood group person taken blood of any other blood group. Blood group 4 types: A, B, AB and O. Another question. Which blood group is called universal donor? Okay, universal donor is O. And universal recipient is AB. Both is very important. Universal recipient AB and universal donor O. Universal blood group is O. For the function of which cell cholesterol is necessary? Very important MCQ. For the function of which cell cholesterol is necessary? Is NECESSARY. Okay. Have you any idea? For the function of which cell cholesterol is necessary? The nerve cell. Your answer will be nerve cell. NERVE, nerve cell. Nerve cell function by the help of cholesterol. Okay. For the function of which cell cholesterol is necessary? Answer, nerve cell. Which one plays role in creating high blood pressure? Okay. Which one plays role in creating high blood pressure? High blood pressure এ কোন কোলেস্টেরলটা তোমার দায়ী? Which one creating high blood pressure? Okay. ছোট করে দিই Which one is creating which one creating high blood pressure? High blood pressure. High blood pressure. Which one creating high blood pressure? That is LDL. LDL, low density lipoprotein. It is also known as bad cholesterol, and in our blood about 70%. Okay, about 70% is LDL, and this is very big amount in male blood. Okay, and female blood portion is also small. Which of the following cell is associated with stomata? Okay. Which which of the cell is associated or related, okay, associated, which of the cell is associated with stomata, with stomata, okay, which of the cell is associated with stomata, you know, this answer is guard cell, okay. Here stomata, when open, two guard cell is present, two guard cell, so your answer will be guard cell. This is also another important question, very important. Then number 11 question is, which of the following is related with swell up dry wood by the absorption of water, you know, it is imbibition, the process of imbibition, dry wood taken or absorbing of water, which through the blood enters from right ventricle to lung, this is important, which through the blood, which through the blood, which through the blood enters, enters from right ventricle, CLE, right ventricle to lung, okay, which, this is pulmonary artery, your answer will be answer pulmonary artery, okay, pulmonary artery, it is artery but it bears the blood of CO2 related, okay, pulmonary artery, this is exception example of artery, the name of pulmonary artery but it bears CO2 related blood, okay. Number 12 question is, cholesterol found in female, how much HDL cholesterol found in how much mole per liter, HDL known as good cholesterol, okay, HDL cholesterol found in female, cholesterol found in female, HDL cholesterol found in female, it is about 0.902, it is about 0.90 to 1.68, okay, 0.90 to 1.68, this is the portion of HDL cholesterol in female, okay, this is the number of hues. Then the question, which disease is occurred, which disease is occurred, occurred due to increase of excess number of white blood cell, excess number of white blood cell. Okay, this question is very important. Which disease is occur due to increases of excess number of white blood cell? Your answer will be here. Your option is stroke, AIDS, anemia and leukemia. So your answer will be leukemia. Leukemia. Okay, your answer will be leukemia. Then another question, which one is called fluid of life? You know it is water. Okay, water is called fluid of life. Then question, which is from bone marrow? Okay, bone marrow, red blood cell and white blood cell. Okay, which is formed from bone marrow. Okay, bone marrow. This is red blood cell and white blood cell. Okay, RBC and WBC. Okay, red blood cell and white blood cell. This is from bone marrow. Then another question, bone marrow, what percentage of lipid amount increases in fatty liver? Okay, increases in fatty liver. What percentage of lipid? What percentage of lipid amount increases EASES increases in fatty liver. Fatty liver. Okay, fatty liver. What percentage of lipid amount increases in fatty liver? Fatty liver contain 30 to 40. Okay, 30 to 40% lipid amount increases in fatty liver. Then another question, what is collectively called water and mineral salt dissolved in? Okay, this is collective water and mineral salt. This is also called cell sap. Okay, which tissue helps in the movement of different organic compound inside plant body? Which tissue? You know, this is vessel. Okay, ECG is related coronary thrombosis. Okay, this is another important question. ECG is related. ECG is related. Your option, asthma, coronary thrombosis, osteoporosis and pneumonia. Okay, coronary thrombosis. Your answer will be coronary thrombosis. Then another question is, which one is the skin take part? Okay, in the synthesis of vitamin D. ভিটামিন ডি কে সিনথেসিস করে কে? which one of the skin which one of the skin take part in the synthesis, in the synthesis of vitamin D. Okay, you know your answer will be cholesterol. Okay, cholesterol. Vitamin D is very important for our body formation. Okay, where is uric acid present? Where is uric acid present? Okay, where is uric acid present? Where is uric acid present? You know uric acid present in your blood plasma. Okay, plasma. Your answer will be plasma. Then what is the number of platelets per cubic millimeter in the human body? Platelets is 1,50,000, about 1.5 lakh. Okay, which circulation carries oxygenated blood to the heart? It is pulmonary. Cell sap reach to the, another important question, in winter the cause of interrupt of food movement of phloem. This is another important question. Okay, skin take part. So these are the important question for you from this chapter. See you later. Allah Hafiz.